Namo Namaha. Welcome back, children. In today's session, we are going to continue with the chapter Kantakenaiva Kantakam. In the previous session, we have seen that there was a hunter named Chanchal and he used to earn his livelihood by catching birds and animals. Once, Chanchal spread the net in the forest and came home. But next day, it was seen by him that unfortunately a tiger got stuck in the net spread by him. The tiger requested Chanchal to set him free and assured that he would not kill him. But as soon as Chanchal freed the tiger, it got ready to kill him. What happened next in the story is what we are going to see in today's session. So let's continue with the chapter Kantakenaiva Kantakam. Here is the Gadyamshaha. I'll read it out. Chanchalaha nadijalam apruchat. Nadijalam avadat evameva bhavati. Janaha mai snanam kurvanti. Vastrani prakshalayanti. Tathacha malamutraadikam visrujya nivartante. Vastutah sarvah swartham samihate. Now let's see the words with sandhi or sanyogah from the given Gadyamshaha. There is only one example of sanyogah and it is evameva. The dissolution of the word is evam plus eva. Now let's see the meanings of the words and the translation of the Gadyamshaha. Chanchalaha nadi jalam apruchat. Nadi jalam, river water. Apruchat, asked. Chanchal asked the river water. Nadi jalam avadat. The river water said, evameva bhavati. Yes, it is so. Janaha mai snanam kurvanti. Snanam kurvanti, take bath. Janaha, people. Mai, in me. People take bath in me. Vastrani prakshalayanti. Vastrani, clothes. Prakshalayanti, wash. They wash clothes. Tathacha malamutradikam visrujya nivartante. Tathacha, and mala means excretion and mutra means urine. Visrujya, by leaving. Nivartante, they go away. And they leave their excretion and urine etc. and go away. Vastutah sarvah swartham samihate. Vastutah, really, sarvah swartham samihate. Everyone wants to fulfill his self-interest. The translation of the sentence is, yes, it is so. People take bath in me. They wash clothes and leave their excretion and urine etc. and go away. Really, everyone wants to fulfill his self-interest. I hope you have understood the translation. Now let's see Paryaya Viloma Padani. Here are the Paryaya Padani. Sarit, the Paryaya Padam is Nadi. Abhashata, the Paryaya Padam is Avadat, and Vasanani, the Paryaya Padam is Vastrani. Here are the Viloma Pade. Gruhitva, the Viloma Padam is Visrujya, and Paramartham, the Viloma Padam is Swartham. Students, one important form with pratyayas is used in this Gadyamshaha, and it is Visrujya. It has Vi upsargah plus Sruja dhatuhu plus Lyap pratyayah. This conversation of Chanchal with the Nadi Jala makes us aware of the serious issue of water pollution. I hope that you have understood this Gadyamshaha. Now let's see the next Gadyamsh. Here is the Gadyamshaha. I'll read it out. Chanchalaha vruksham upagamya apruchat. वृक्षः अवदत्, मानवाः अस्माकं छायायां विरमन्ति, अस्माकं फलानि खादन्ति, पुनः कुठारैः प्रहृत्य अस्मभ्यं सर्वदा कष्टं ददति, यत्र कुत्रापि छेदनं कुर्वन्ति, सर्वः स्वार्थं समीहते. Let's see the words with sandhihi or sanyogah from the given gadyamshah. There is only one example of sandhihi, and it is kutrapi. And the sandhi vichhedah is kutra plus api. Now let's try to understand the meanings of the words and the translation of the gadyamshah. Chanchalah vruksham upagamya apruchat. Vruksham upagamya, going near a tree. Apruchat, asked. Chanchal went near a tree and asked. Vrukshaha avadat. The tree said, Manavaha asmakam chhayayam viramanti. Manavaha, human beings or people. Asmakam chhayayam, in our shade. Viramanti, take rest. People take rest in our shade. Asmakam falani khadanti. They eat our fruits. Punaha kutharaihi prarutya asmabhyam sarvada kashtam dadati. Kutharaihi prarutya, hitting us with axes. Asmabhyam sarvada kashtam dadati. They always give us pain. And they always give us pain by hitting us with axes. The translation of the sentence is, the tree said, people take rest in our shade, eat our fruits, and always give us pain by hitting us with axes. Yatra kutrapi chedanam kurvanti. Yatra kutrapi, anywhere. Chedanam kurvanti, they cut. And they cut any part whichever they like. Sarvaha swartham samihate. Everyone wants to fulfill his self-interest. I hope you have understood the translation. Now, let me take you to Paryaya Padani and Viloma Padani based on the given Gadyamshah. Here are the Paryaya Padani. Upasrutya, the Paryaya Padam is Upagamya. Taruhu, the Paryaya Padam is Vrukshaha. Pidam, the Paryaya Padam is Kashtam. And Viloma Padani are Apasrutya, the Viloma Padam is Upagamya. Kadachit, the Viloma Padam is Sarvada. And Saukhyam, the Viloma Padam is Kashtam. Students, two important forms with pratyayas are used in this Gadyamshah, and they are Upagamya, it has Upa Upasargaha, Gam Dhatuhu plus Lyap Pratyayah, and the next one is Prarutya, it has Pra Upsargaha plus Ru Dhatuhu plus Lyap Pratyayah. And one important rule of Upapad Vibhaktihi is used in this Gadyamshah, and it is, the word Asmabhyam is used in Chaturthi Vibhaktihi, and it is because of the verb Dadati. Dadati is the form of Da Dhatuhu, and Da Dhatu governs Chaturthi Vibhaktihi, due to which Asmabhyam is used in Chaturthi. This Gadyamsh reminds us of our duties towards the environment. Trees are vital and we need to save them. I hope that you have understood this Gadyamshah. Now let's see Agrimaha Gadyamshah. Here is the Agrimaha Gadyamshah. I'll read it out. Samipe eka lomashika badari gulmanam prushte nilina etam vartam shrunoti sma. Sa sahasa chanchalam upasrutya kathayati. Ka varta? Mamapi vidnyapaya. Saha avadat. Ahaha matrusvasaha. Avasare tvam samagatavati. मया अस्य व्याघ्रस्य प्राणाः रक्षिताः, परम् एषः मामेव खादितुम् इच्छति। तदनन्तरं सः लोमशिकायै निखिलां कथां न्यवेदयत्। Now let's see the words with sandhi or sanyogah. There are two examples of sanyogah in this gadyamshah, and they are chanchalam upasrutya and mameva. Let's see the dissolution of these words. Chanchalam upasrutya, the dissolution is chanchalam plus upasrutya, and mameva, the dissolution is mam plus eva. Now let's try to understand the meanings of the words and the translation of the gadyamshah. Sameepe means nearby. Eka lomashika. Lomashika means vixen. Badari gulmanam prushthe. Prushthe means behind, and badari gulma means the bushes of berry. Nilina means hiding. Etam vartam, this conversation. Shrunoti sma, heard. Nearby, a vixen who was hiding behind the bushes of berry heard this conversation. Sa sahasa chanchalam upasrutya kathayati. Sahasa, suddenly. Chanchalam upasrutya, coming near Chanchal. Kathayati, said. Suddenly she came near Chanchal and said, Ka varta, what is the matter? Mam api vidnyapaya, tell me also. Saha avadat, ahaha matrusvasaha. Saha avadat, he said. Matrusvasaha means mother's sister, that is aunt. Here, Chanchal is addressing Lomashika with the word matrusvasaha. Saha avadat, he said, O aunt, avasare tvam samagatavati. Avasare, at the right moment. Samagatavati, you have come. O aunt, you have come here at the right moment. Maya asya vyagrasya pranaha rakshitaha. Vyagrasya pranaha, the life of the tiger. Rakshitaha, was saved by me. I saved the life of this tiger. Param eshaha mameva khaditum ichhati. Param, but. Eshaha ichhati, he wants. Mameva khaditum, to eat me. But he wants to eat me. Tadanantaram saha lomashikayai nikhilam katham nyavedayat. Tadanantaram, thereafter. Saha lomashikayai nikhilam katham nyavedayat. Nyavedayat, he told. Nikhilam katham, the whole story, the entire story to Lomashika. Thereafter, he told the whole story to Vixen. I hope you have understood the translation. Now let's see Visheshan Visheshya Padani from the given Gadyamshah. Here are the Visheshan Visheshya Padani. The words Eka and Nilina are the Visheshane of the word Lomashika, and the word Nikhilam is the Visheshanam of the Vishesham Katham. Now let me take you to Paryaya Padani and Viloma Padani. Here are the Paryaya Padani. Nikate, the Paryaya Padam is Sameepe. Nigudha, the Paryaya Padam is Nilina. And Akasmat, the Paryaya Padam is Sahasa. And the Viloma Padani are Dure, the Viloma Padam is Sameepe. Purataha, the Viloma Padam is Prushthe, and Apasrutya athava Apagamya, the Viloma Padam is Upasrutya. Now let's see some important forms with pratyayas. The first form is Upasrutya. It has Upa Upasargaha plus Sru Dhatuhu plus Lyap Pratyaha. And the next form is Khaditum. It has Khada Dhatuhu plus Tumun Pratyaha. Lomashika's entry in the story has made this story more interesting, right? Will Lomashika save Chanchal's life? And how will it save him? We will get the answers to these questions in the next Gadyamshaha. So let me take you to the Agrimaha Gadyamshaha. Here is the Gadyamshaha. I'll read it out. Lomashika Chanchalam akathayat. Badham Tvam jalam prasaraya. Punah sa vyaghram avadat. केन प्रकारेण त्वम् एतस्मिन् जाले बद्धः इति अहं प्रत्यक्षं द्रष्टुमिच्छामि. व्याघ्रः तद्वृत्तान्तं प्रदर्शयितुं तस्मिन् जाले प्राविशत्. I hope you have understood the pronunciation of words. Now let's see the words with sandhihi or sanyogah from the given Gadyamshaha. There is only one example of sanyogah, and it is drashtum ichchami, and the dissolution is drashtum plus ichchami. Now let me take you to the meanings of the words and the translation of the Gadyamshaha. Lomashika chanchalam akathayat. Lomashika said to Chanchal. Badham means all right. Tvam jalam prasaraya. You spread the net. Punah sa vyaghram avadat. Punah again. Again she said to the tiger. Kena prakarena tvam etasmin jale baddhah iti aham pratyaksham drashtumichhami. Kena prakarena, how? Tvam etasmin jale baddhah. How were you caught in this net? Iti aham pratyaksham drashtumichhami. I want to drashtum, to see it, pratyaksham, with my own eyes. Again she said to the tiger, how were you caught in the net? I want to see it with my own eyes. Vyaghraha tadvruttantam pradarshaitum tasmin jale pravishat. Tadvruttantam pradarshaitum, to show that incident. Vyaghraha, the tiger, tasmin jale pravishat, entered into the net. To show that incident, the tiger entered into the net. I hope you have understood the translation. Now let's see Visheshan Visheshya Padani from the given Gadyamshaha. There is only one pair of Visheshan Visheshya Padam. The word Baddhaha is the Visheshanam of the pronoun Tvam. Now let's see some important forms with pratyayas. The first form is Drashtum. It has drush dhatuhu plus tumun pratyaya. And the next form is Pradarshayitum. It has pra upsargah plus drush dhatuhu plus anich pratyaya plus tumun pratyaya. Lomashika played a trick to save Chanchal's life, and the tiger fell for it. What happened next in the story is what we are going to see in the next and the last Gadyamshaha. So let me take you to the Agrimaha Gadyamshaha. Atrasti Agrimaha Gadyamshaha. Aham Gadyamsham Pathami. Lomashika Punaha Akathayat. Samprati Punah Punah Kurdanam Krutva Darshaya. Saha Tathaiva Samacharat. Anaratam Kurdanena Saha Shrantaha Abhavat. Jale Baddhaha Saha Vyaghraha Klantah san nissahayo bhutva tatra apatat. Prana bhikshamiva cha ayachata. Lomashika vyaghram avadat. Satyam tvaya bhanitam. Sarvaha swartham samihate. Now let's see the words with sandhihi or sanyogah from the given Gadyamshaha. The words with sandhihi or sanyogah are Nissahayo bhutva and prana bhikshamiva. Let's see the dissolution of these words. Nissahayo bhutva is an example of sandhihi, and the dissolution is Nissahayah plus bhutva. And prana bhikshamiva is an example of Sanyogah and the dissolution is Pranabhiksham plus Iva. Now let's try to understand the meanings of the words and the translation of the Gadyamshah. Lomashika punaha akathayat. Again, the vixen said, Samprati punaha kurdanam krutva darshaya. Samprati, now. Darshaya, show. Show me kurdanam krutva, by jumping again and again. Now show me by jumping again and again. Saha tathaiva samacharat. He did like that. Anaratam kurdanena saha shrantaha abhavat. Anaratam, continuously. Kurdanena, by jumping. Saha shrantaha abhavat. He became tired. He became tired by jumping continuously. Jale baddhaha saha vyagraha klantah san nisahayyo bhutva tatra apatat pranabhikshamiva cha ayachata. Jale baddhaha saha vyagraha. The tiger who was caught in the net. Klantah san. Klantah means tired and nisahayah means helpless. The tiger who was caught in the net became tired and helpless. Tatra apatat, and he fell down there. Pranabhiksham iva cha ayachata. Ayachata, begged. Pranabhiksham iva, and he begged for his life. The translation of the sentence is, the tiger who was caught in the net became tired and helpless, and he fell down there and begged for his life. Lomashika vyagram avadat. The vixen said to the tiger, Satyam tvaya bhanitam. Satyam, truth. Bhanitam means said or told. You have told the truth. Sarvaha swartham samihate. Everyone wants to fulfill his self-interest. Lomashika vyagram avadat. The vixen said to the tiger, you have told the truth. Everyone wants to fulfill his self-interest. I hope you have understood the translation. Now, let me take you to Visheshan Visheshya Padani. The word Shrantaha is the Visheshanam of the pronoun Saha, and the words Baddhaha, Klantaha and Nissahayaha are the Visheshanani of the word Vyagraha. Now let's see Paryaya Viloma Padani based on the given Gadyamshaha. Here are the Paryaya Pade. Satatam, the Paryaya Padam is Anaratam, and Rutam, the Paryaya Padam is Satyam. And there is only one Viloma Padam, Anrutam, the Viloma Padam is Satyam. Students, two important forms with pratyayas are used in this Gadyamshaha, and they are Krutva, it has Kru Dhatuhu plus Tva pratyayah, and Bhutva, it has Bhu Dhatuhu plus Tva pratyayah. That brings us to the end of the presentation. Students, I want to give the exercise based on the chapter for homework. Try to solve the questions given in the exercise. We will discuss the answers in the next session. Till then, Dhanyavadaha, Punarmilamaha.